Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. I had to record this part over again because I deleted the footage. So if you love wig reviews, synthetic, human hair, whatever, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. I have a lot to bring to you guys. Today's wig review is going to be from Unice on Amazon, where you can purchase wigs for low cost. They sent me the wig in this lovely box. They sent me wig caps, lace melting bands, a makeup brush, and some cute lashes. So this is the wig. It's a pre-plucked, pre-cut lace. It's a 22-inch body wave. Very pretty. The hair looks very healthy. There's no smell, absolutely no smell at all. Really appreciate that. But look at that, no work necessary. It's pre-plucked. Look at that. It already comes like laid and slayed. I really enjoy this. The inside of cap construction, so I want to point this out because I really am impressed that they put like the rubber. It's like a rubber, I know exact term, but it's basically rubber that they put along the edge of the cap so that your wig can stay down and stay secured. This is a larger cap, so if you have a smaller head, you will have to adjust this band. They have a band that they put inside the wig. You can remove it if you don't need it. If you have a larger head, it's already tight. There's 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. They do not have the adjustable straps that usually come in wigs, but that's fine because they have this one. So before I tint the lace and everything, I want to show you guys. Woo. Look at that. It's just like, all it needs is to be tinted a bit for my complexion. And the cap, let me just adjust my cap. Look at that, guys. So I already had some makeup on this, so I'm just gonna rub it across. You just want to get a makeup that matches your complexion. I still have to do my makeup and style the wig, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to wear this unit. And this is just some makeup. It's the Kiss Cream Plus Cover Plus Care Cream Foundation. I feel like cream works better than powder when it's time to like tint your lace. Look at that. Oh my god. So look at the beautiful body wave. I'm still going to go ahead and curl her. This is definitely a 5x5 unit. Definitely 5x5. But look at that. You don't even need to like melt the lace. You don't need to put any glue there. No adhesive spray, no nothing.
Hi guys, so I lost my voice, so please bear with me while I do this voiceover. I did want to go ahead and curl this wig to see how she curled. She has a nice, lovely body wave, but I can say that the curls dropped a little bit with the method that I used, but the curls, it curled very beautifully. You could definitely tell that this wig does not have any synthetic filler hairs. It's 100% human hair, so, I mean, you could tell that straight out the pack. It was nice, full, and bouncy. So I basically just curled it like this. Of course, you add your serum and then curl the hair, and then I pinned her up so the curls could cool and still be like tight, so at least they would stay for a little while. So this is the takedown. I did spray the curls with some Got to Be spray. The Got to Be spray for me, it don't have a strong hold, but not a really strong hold, but has a good enough hold for curls. So I just combed the curls out with a wide tooth comb. I didn't want to like comb them too much like with a brush. But as you can see, I'm not the best at curling. But I did my best. While you're watching the rest of the install, please don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll show you more pictures of the hair, me modeling it in a reel. I also have a beauty brand called 1111 Beauty, where I showcase 100% real mink lash strips, like the pair that you'll see wearing at the end. Those are from my brand. I also went ahead and layered it because it just seems so blah. Like, of course you can leave it straight if you want, but I wanted to like have it cut in a style. And I've been like really loving the like layered bangs and flip over method lately, so that's what I basically did. This lace was so thin, guys, by the way. This wig is very much high quality. I like Amazon wigs because they're very affordable, but it's rare to find a wig that is high quality and affordable. This wig, 22 inches, 150 density, was under $200. And I really feel like she's more than 150 density. I've gotten some 150 density Amazon wigs, and they were not as thick as this. This hair was really cute. I wore this out the whole night, and yeah, the curls dropped a little bit, but they stayed where they were. So you'll see in the video like how the curls are. My hair did not straighten out or anything after that. It stayed curled just like that, and I didn't use any extra spray. But yeah, I really struggled with this side with the layering, but it came out cute, and I ended up just doing a flip over method because I just feel like side parts look really good on my face shape. If you want to also purchase wigs that I have reviewed that I've only worn once, please head over to tonyam.bigcartel.com. The link will be in the description box. So guys, this wig is 100% glueless. You do not have to glue her down. She's a great, easy throw on and go wig. However, because I have a smaller head, I did end up securing her with some Ebin lace adhesive spray because I was going out and I didn't want her sliding. She did slide back a little bit because my head is small and this wig is like a medium-sized cat. So if you have a medium-sized head, you don't have a problem. If you have any other questions that I did not answer, leave a comment below, and the link to the wig will be in the description box.
Hi guys, I'm back. Thank you for watching that install. So this is Unice Amazon. It is a 22-inch body wave unit. The lace parting is 6 by 4.5. It's 150 density. I went ahead and curled it. I did try to spray it down. However, you know, if it dropped, the curls did drop a little, but it still looks really cute. I actually don't like when the curls are like super tight, so I really like this look. As you can see, I layered it in the front because I'm really been feeling like this flip over method. This is an easy throw on and go wig. Like, look at that, guys. And you can't even see the lace. Like, I'm so super impressed by this. So for this length in this style, the body wave, it's only $178, I believe. So it's under $200 for this lovely unit. And this is how long the 22-inch length comes down on me. It comes down to my middle, to my mid back or my lower back, the small of my back. So it's a really long wig. You definitely need to go ahead and cop this if you're looking for some affordable Amazon wigs. Unice has plenty. I've actually done a review for them in the past. But yeah, it is big head friendly. If you have a small head, just beware that it's going to like kind of push down on the back of your ears, but it's not a lot. It's not crazy or anything like that. Yeah, you don't have to secure this lace down because it has an adjustable strap on the inside. If you have any other questions, just let me know. The link for the wig will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching.